Hurricane has vanquished a lot of supervillains in his day, but he's not faced someone the likes of Bulk Nasty one-on-one in quite some time. The 16-bit Rumble was one thing. Bulk had been in there a while. Hurricane had the surprise factor. Not so much here tonight. Of course, Hurricane was originally scheduled to challenge Wardlow until John McChesney enacted his Super Indy Championship rematch clause. And that opened up the door for Bulk Nasty to say, I want another piece of the superhero. Calm before the storm here, no pun intended. As both men collar and elbow Bulk, about 290 pounds or so. 6'4" or 5. Hurricane Helms, he's big in his own right. I don't know if he qualifies for that cruiserweight weight class anymore, but Hurricane's got deceptive power. He chokeslammed Bulk Nasty. That was a huge moment in IWC recent history. Hurricane the side head rock, trying to neutralize the big man. A collision, and Bulk does not move. Bulk just probably felt like a fly landed on him. And I have never seen Bulk in better physical condition. I've never seen him bigger. Daring the Hurricane to hit him harder, hit him faster, hit him better. And again, Hurricane may be hurting himself on this exchange. It's a much different environment than, again, the surprise factor that Helms had in January. It's face-to-face, eye-to-eye. Hurricane outsmarts the field. Bulk can't see. And a Hurricane with reversal. Look at the clothesline. Bulk is swinging wildly. And Hurricane gives him a good job. Hurricane is getting inside the head of Bulk Nasty. With Bulk's temper, that's not necessarily a difficult thing to do. Bulk looking for a breather. Oh. Helms inviting Bulk back in, but Bulk wants to fight on the floor. And this is Bulk's wheelhouse. Helms dropped hard on the guardrail. Nowhere to land there that feels good. And Bulk wants a count-out victory. What a shame it would be to see the superhero fall in such circumstances. But thankfully, Hurricane back in the ring with certainly the worst for wear. Bulk Nasty taking over now on the Hurricane, former World Tag Team Champion, longest Cruiserweight Champion in history. A man who's been in the business 25 plus years, has a wealth of knowledge, still the same passion as he did from day one. But Bulk Nasty looking to beat that passion out of Hurricane Helms. Bulk methodically keeping Hurricane at bay. Helms can fly, Helms can move. Bulk negating that. Even a superhero can't fly if you got Bulk Nasty resting his knee on the back of your neck. Helms Veteran Bulk with rights with slam. Oh, 290 collapse on a Hurricane near fall. Hurricane just didn't have the leverage on his side and didn't have Bulk sufficiently weakened to attempt the high-risk maneuver. And you may think a slam's not high risk. When Bulk is in there, everything is high risk. It looks like Bulk is getting a bit more confident about a potential count-out victory. We're at 6, and I don't see Hurricane yet. We're at 8. 2 seconds are made. Hurricane just back in before the count of 9. 1 second until Bulk Nasty had perhaps vanquished the legend of the superhero Hurricane Helms. And back to the floor. And Bulk once again angry at the world. And where they go? Look out. I don't want anything to do with this. Look out. Hey, go away. Hey. Hey. What's wrong with you? Hurricane gets lowered onto our table. And now the official's counting. Hurricane's halfway to the locker room. How in the hell is he going to get back in the ring as Bulk Nasty again looks for a cheap count-out victory? We're at 4. Hurricane is stirring, but he's still a solid 50 feet from the ring. We're at 7. Hurricane to his feet. Hurricane's struggling. Hurricane's fighting. Can he make it? We're at 9. And just in. At about 9.9, that Hurricane has had enough. He's at all he can stand, and he can't stand no more. But can he take the big man down? Hurricane's got that second burst of adrenaline. Will it be enough? Flying uppercut connects. Bulk is dazed. Well, it worked, it reloaded. Can he get 290 up? No. The elbow to the temple. Oh, Bulk Nasty. Huge power slam on the human crime scene. This will do it. 2-0. Bulk Nasty wants to get half a count away from defeating the Hurricane. Bulk can protest all he wants, but there's really nothing more that can be done. Hurricane kicked out. Hurricane is one of the most resilient athletes in the history of this industry, for my money. No. Bulk. Going Vader bomb. Nobody there. Hurricane out of the way. Is Bulk off balance enough? He got the leverage. Horror choke slam. He has done it.